Hey folks, welcome back to Selenium WebDriver series. In this video, let's talk about one of the action which is mouse hover action. In the last video, we have spoken about what is actions class and the details about it. If you have not watched what is actions class, do watch it and then come back to this video. Let's get started. So you know that in some of the application, we will be having the scenarios where you want to hover on a particular option so that you will get further more options, correct? Suppose here I have considered eBay application. If you just hover on it, so you can see that there are certain other options which we are able to see, correct? So in the same way, we have multiple mouse actions. Okay, so in the last video, we spoke about how does the syntax looks and everything about it. But here we will implement it. We will implement how does this mouse over action can be performed. Okay, all this we will see. So in this case, we will have to hover on this. Okay, after that you will get further options, and then you have to select either one of the option. So how we can perform this using Selenium? So let's start by creating a class. Let's say mouse hover action. So let's copy this. So it is just that we have launched the browser and then launched the eBay application, correct? So after this, what we have to do is first we have to identify which option we want to click on. Okay. So suppose say we will have to click on this home and garden. Okay. So for now, what we can do is we can use the link text, correct? Link text to identify this particular element. And upon hovering on this, we want to click on something which is wedding, okay, or home and garden deals, okay. So let's try to click on this. First, let's say driver dot find element, okay, by dot link text. So what is the link text? So link text is home and garden, right? Gardens. Let's just copy rather. Okay. So let's copy this. So this we will store it in a web element. Let's say this is option. Okay. Option is equal to this is of type web element. Okay. And then import this web element. So after hovering on this, what we want to do is after hovering on this, we want to click on the other option, which is home and garden deals, or let's say home improvement, home decor, anything, or furniture. Let's say we'll click on furniture. Okay. So for that, we have to identify that element also. So let's say web element or sub option is equal to driver dot find element by dot link text. So let's say furniture. So we identify two of the elements whichever we want to perform action on. So what again we have to do is, so we have created the actions, uh, from the actions class we have created the object, correct? So what we have to do now is we have to use this action dot. So here we have two actions for move to the element. After on action, we have to move to the particular element. So here when we give move to element, so we have two options. One is to move to the target element directly, which we have already identified like this. Otherwise, you can perform it using the X and then Y offset as well. You can target and then provide the X and then Y offset. Basically, it is like horizontal and then vertical values also you have to provide so that you can target to the exact element. Suppose some of the applications in a complex application, if you want, you can provide this values as well. So for now, we will use this first option, that is move to the element like directly web element. So we will choose option first, okay, and then perform. So after this, let's add some sleep so that we'll be able to see. Let's see, 5 seconds, and then driver.quit. First, let's see whether we are able to hover over on the particular element. That is option. Hmm. Looks like it is not able to go and then check for this element. So you can see home and garden. So now the placement is changed, correct? So we here when you see we do not have option furniture. Okay, so let's use toys for now. So this is what happens when we have like dynamically changing values. Yes, it got identified. Let's run this again. So you can see that it hovered on it. Okay. And then after 5 seconds, quit also happened. So first action, what we did is first we tried to hover over on this home and garden. Okay. Next, what we have to do is we want to again hover over on this. Okay. And then perform the click. How we can do that? So action dot move to element. Okay. So sub option. Okay. Dot click dot perform. So let's run this now. Okay. Can you see? Yes, it went to toys and hobbies. Okay. After 5 seconds, it will quit. Yes. Perfect. So, but here one another thing what you need to know is here we have two times called this action. Like twice we are performing. Each time one step. But rather than this, you can actually chain this. How? In the sense, first action dot move to element. First, what is the element? Which is option. Okay. Dot again call move to element. Okay. And then choose the sub option and then dot click. So you can directly click and then build dot perform. So build is to build a particular action and then perform. Okay, so even some cases when you have multiple items, like first you will hover over on the particular element and then again another hover over. If you are like doing like that, in that case, it is better you use build dot perform. Otherwise, only with perform also it works fine. Can you see? Yes, it went. So either by chaining method also you will be able to perform the mouse over action and then click on the particular element. Otherwise, you can use it separately as well. And also remember, you have to use this build.perform. So make sure you are using build.perform so that the action will work perfectly fine. Sometimes if you do not use this perform or build.perform, so at that time what happens is you won't be able to perform the particular action itself. Okay, so that is the reason. Make sure you are using the build.perform. So hopefully you learned how we can move to a particular element and perform the mouse hover action on the element. If you have liked this video, please do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.